Here the height of the aeroplane is equal to h. This is h. This also height is equal to h, which is same as dE, or that is equal to AB. 1500 into root 3 meter. Now this aeroplane travels from point A to from a point A to point D, which is same as the distance B. Initially the aeroplane was here at this point, and it gradually moves towards point 2, that means toward points D, position D here, and the distance AD is same as the distance BE. That we have to find out this distance, and this distance is travelled by the aeroplane in 15 seconds. So the distance by time we will get the speed of the aeroplane. Now the distance EB can be found out by EC minus BC. This is same as BE. If we consider the triangle CDE, in triangle CDE, DE divided by CE is equal to tan 30 degree, or CE is equal to DE by tan 30 degree, or DE into root 3, because DE by tan 30 degree, if we will take the value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, so C is equal to D into root 3, and the value of D is 1500 into root 3 multiplied by root 3. We will get this is as 4500 meters. This is the value of CE. Now we have to calculate this B after getting the value of BC, because AC minus BC we will get BE. How we will find out BC? Now in triangle ABC, we will get AB by BC is the tan 60 degree, or BC is equal to AB by tan 60 degree. AB is 1500 into root 3 by root 3, which is equal to 1500 meter. Now value of BE is equal to, or same as AD, the distance travelled by the, this is the distance travelled by the aeroplane. Which is equal to 4500 minus 1500, that is equal to 3000 meter. So speed of the aeroplane is distance by time. Distance is 3000 meter, and it was travelled in 15 seconds. If we convert it into kilometer per hour, 3000 meter is 3 kilometer, and 15 seconds we can write it as 15 by 3600 hour, which is equal to 3 into 3600 divided by 15. Now 15 and 3 here cancel out, and now we will get this 720, which is equal to 720 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of the aeroplane, which is the answer.